Hey, what's up guys? So in this video I'm going to share with you a pro feature that will help you unlock massive potential of your Galaxy phones. So without any further delays, let's get to it. First, you need the Goodlock app. So if you have it downloaded, good enough. If you don't have it downloaded, head on to the Galaxy store and download it. And then you will go in it, then go in Live Up, and here go in one hand operation. So once we are in here, you'll first have to turn it on. Once you'll turn it on, you will then see a few options here. We have left handle and right handle. So if we go in right handle, here we have two more options, short swipe and long swipe. So these are self-explanatory. Short swipe is a short swipe from the edge of the display, and these are the edge bars that are displayed here. These are the touch sensitive bars. So you can activate this feature through these bars. Now they are visible right now, but they will not be visible once we exit. So we have straight left, diagonal up, diagonal down. So this is straight left, this is diagonal up, and this is diagonal down. We have the same options for long swipe, straight up, diagonal up, and diagonal down. Now what's really cool is what are the options that these gestures unlock, and they are similar for short swipe and long swipe. So if we go in long swipe and go in straight left, here you can see all the options that a long straight swipe will activate, and you can select any one of these. The one that I really like is search an app, or the other one is you can quickly launch any app in split screen view. So this one, I'll actually show you both of them. So search an app. Now we'll go back and we'll go in settings, and this is an example I'm giving you. So from the right edge, I'm going to swipe in and I'm going to hold, so that will be a long swipe, and this will launch search. So this way you can quickly launch search in any app, regardless if it's a system app or the app that you have downloaded. It's a third-party app. The second option that I want to show you is how you can quickly launch. Now there are a lot of options. You can quickly turn the screen off, you can close an app, you can turn on the flashlight, but what I really like is split screen view or quick pop-up view. I'm gonna go with quick pop-up view, and once again we'll go in settings and we'll make the same gestures, and there you go, the app has opened up in a pop-up window. Now you can obviously take a look in this app and in this module and find a lot of great things, but one thing that I wanted to show you before ending this video is the gesture settings. So if you go in here, then go in gesture angles, you can actually change these angles for diagonal up and diagonal down and straight. So that is something really cool, and you can play around with these diagonals according to how you hold your phone and what's easy for you to do, which is again a fantastic feature. So that's about it from this video, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.